welcome back to my channel. My name is Maliah. If you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Sorry guys, I'm literally in a cabin right now, so I cannot be talking loud. But today's video is going to be a productive weekly vlog in my life, guys. I'm just very excited for this video. I had only fun making it. Also includes Valentine's Day, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and just get into the video. I'm not trying to be talking for too long because, like I said previously, I'm in a cafe. See you guys at the end. Hey guys, it is currently the next morning. I literally got home from the gym and stuff like that, so I am gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. I have a lot of things on my to-do list today. Let's go ahead and get started. So right now I'm gonna be giving you guys a haul. I just finished eating and stuff like that. I did get my clothes in from Fashion Nova. You know, I gotta do a haul for you guys. I'm trying to think of this freaking tag, bro. No way I just did that with my teeth. I've never done that before. If you guys do want to see like a fitting and everything like that, my TikTok will be right here. Also it's in my description as well. If you guys want to see how all the clothes fit on me, go ahead and check out that video because I am not putting it on 2 times. Okay, thank you. These are the sweats that I got these in a large. Oh, okay, I was like sheet quality, but no, it's not. So it has like little lines on it. They're just like normal jeans, except they have like a cross detailing just to give like that hourglass shape. If you ever see me get sweats, I most likely bring them at the gym. That's the only place that I really wear sweats because I can't wear them at work. But let's go to the next item. Same thing but in black. You might have to return these if they're not long enough. It's not giving long. I'm taller than this, gotta be. We'll see what happens. You know, when you order from Fashion Nova, they're like, oh, add this to your cart, and they take some money off of it and stuff like that, and they're like, I mean, since they're like making it lower, might as well like get it. That's what happened to me. So I think this is a sweatsuit everybody was having on TikTok, and I just got it in cream. I just like wearing sweats because they're comfortable, and I like wearing them at the gym as like a pump cover up because as a modest girly, I don't like showing my body at all. I feel really uncomfortable, and I feel like everybody's watching me. When I feel like my body is exposed, I'll be feeling like really weird. Like I just want to go home at that point. That's why I don't like see-through clothes, see-through pants. Like, but anyway, I obviously got the shirt that comes with it. Well, it's a set, but I don't know how to describe it. I think I've seen this before like on TikTok and stuff like that. I'm really like loving like cream, ivory, white, all that stuff. I feel like their pink color wasn't really giving like pink. It was giving like harsh pink, and I don't really like that kind of pink, honestly. And I've actually been wanting a white jacket, but I haven't gotten one. Now I kind of like have one now. Guys, I'm so excited. This is my cardigan. What is this stuff? This is nice. This is amazing. A moment for the cardigan. Yo, this is so cute. It's so thick. Such good quality, such good fabric. This is like a blanket, girl. The next thing that I got, guys, I was just talking about modesty. I know I wasn't joking about that. I'm gonna use this not just as by itself, but like underneath top, maybe like a jacket or something. I just want to have like something like with this kind of pattern underneath it. I'm not gonna be showing my stomach, okay? It's like normal, and then it's ribbed, and then also like the quality of it is very good as well. The last thing that I got, guys, is this set. I might wear this tomorrow or like this week. This is like a cute shirt, some matching leggings. I feel like it gives very much like off fit, very much professional. I think I'll be back with you guys when I'm like curling my hair. I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so it is the next day. My apologies, I didn't get to like record like me putting in the hair rollers and stuff like that. I grabbed my camera, but I just didn't press record. So I just wanted to go ahead and unravel them with you guys so we can see how they look together. I look crazy, and I literally have 2 minutes. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. looks good on camera. I look like old school though. Like I don't know how to describe it. I'm in the 1950s or something. So this is the hair. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I don't know what it's giving. I'm done touching my hair, guys. I'm not doing anything else. And you know, what looks bad to me doesn't look bad to other people. Somebody gonna like my hair. It gives grandma vibes. Like, this hairstyle really just like brings me back in every possible way. Anyways, guys, that's basically that. But I'm gonna see you guys probably like when I get home or something. Hey guys, what's up? It's currently the next day, guys. This is my favorite workout fit that I've ever done. This is like my workout fits area. I really need like a place where I can like put my clothes. I think definitely when I move, where you can like put your clothes and hang them up on like this little rack. I'm gonna get a clothing rack for my clothes that I just want to like leave out like for like the next day or whatever. I'm gonna get undressed and everything like that, get in some comfortable clothes, do a little Bible study. Let's have our Bible study. So I just finished doing my little Bible study. Basically, you're saying keep like your words and stuff pure. You have to have wisdom to be able to speak certain things and be able to have discernment about other conversations that you have, making sure that you're always speaking the truth out of your mouth as a believer. The more that you're speaking the truth, the more that you stay rooted in wisdom, the more that you'll be able to sift out who's being deceiving and then who is telling the truth as well. God's truth. And that was Proverbs 5:2 that I just read. Anyways, guys, I have to go because my camera's on 1% and I have to go get in the shower and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys when I see you. Morning, guys. Y'all, it's Friday. I do not want to go into work today. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, but like I need the money. It's just so stressful and I don't want to ask my sister because I thought she already gonna say yes. Okay. Good morning, sister. I have a question. Should I go to work today or no?
No.
Okay. I'm a very indecisive person. If I need an answer for something, I'm gonna ask my sister. I'm gonna stay home today. I'm gonna make a list of stuff that I need to do. Sit. Hey guys, today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'm actually gonna be going to my friend's house and we're going to be having like a little Valentine's Day brunch. This is the outfit that I am wearing today. I think this is from Fashion Nova. But as you guys see, well, let's not even look back there because I need to like organize all that stuff. My room has been moved around. I have moved my whole room around since I moved here. So that's a very long time for me. Yesterday I did it. It was very much impulsive. I was not planning on doing that at all. Right now, I'm gonna be doing some makeup for Valentine's Day. I honestly want to make a video on this. Let me go ahead and do my makeup and stuff like that because I'm honestly running out of time. I'll be back with you guys when I am done doing my makeup. Hey guys, so I am done doing my makeup. As you guys see, this is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, makeup is beautiful. I'm using the Yara perfume. This color. I want to put on some jewelry. I already have my necklace on. I'm not gonna take this off. I'm just gonna put on some rings. But I'm gonna wear this one. I got this from Dorado. I'm gonna wear the I love you ring, obviously, since it's Valentine's Day. I honestly need to get another one, but I got this ring. It has a cross on it. I'm gonna wear this. So this is a stack for today. I'm gonna wear this bag since it's like pinkish, and it kind of goes with the fit. Shoes, I think I'm gonna go with these flats. I wish I could show you guys like in the mirror, but I really don't want to go over there. But this is the fit. Actually, let me just go. But this is the fit. It is so cute. I'm actually in love with this dress. I'm in love with my hair. I love my makeup. Like, everything is just tea. I'm gonna take some pictures and stuff like that, and then I'm going to brush my teeth really quickly, and then I'm gonna go. So I will see you guys when I get there. So you guys, when I get to my friend's house, I went there and I just really wanted to enjoy the moment instead of just like recording, and we weren't even really doing anything. We just ate, like really just talked the whole time. Right now I'm about to take off my makeup. I'm gonna do the hyaluronic hydrogel under eye mask. I'm gonna put these on. So cutesy. Anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I will see you guys when I see you. I hope that you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day. Peace out. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. I just wanted to come here and end this off. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.